Alright, I'm just here doing maintenance on this Vertechs. And I really like coming to see these when I get the chance because of how they run the tape in the hoistway. So let's go take a look at that. So it's different how they use their keys. It's way more convenient than a bunch of 332 screws, but check this out. They run the hoistway tape for positioning right through the COP. So there, as you can see, the tape reader. Let's take it up and watch. It's awesome. It's such a neat idea. Well, looks like we're losing the battery there a little bit. Nice clean unit. That's so cool. Just thought I'd do a quick video today, just checking this out. 360 controls. Thanks for watching.